A good friend of mine got engaged to the love of her life and was about to get married within 2 months. She was extremely happy, both the families willingly agreed. No objection from any side. Her would-be-in-laws told her parents that they don't want anything from them. So far so good. Just 1 month before marriage, her would-be mother-in-law called her mother. Mil, apki beti bahat ek hai hai. Humain ta ba apki beti chahi. Baki aapne jo dina hai apni beti ko hai dina hai. Translation: We are blessed to have your daughter. We don't want anything for us. However, you may give anything to your daughter as you may please. Mother: Okay ji, definitely. And this continued for the following 3 to 4 days. Her mill used to drop subtle hints about their demands, which included a destination wedding, a Nova car, diamond rings, etc. Each time she ended the conversation with the same dialogue. We don't want anything for us. You can give your daughter anything you want to. My friend came to know about this just 15 days before the wedding, when she overheard her parents talking about borrowing from relatives. She was furious and called her fiancé. And then it was the fiancé's turn. Unhun jo dina hai tumhi hai dina hai. Humari koi demand nai hai. Translation: We haven't demanded anything. They are giving it to you. She ended her 3-year-long relationship right away. I met her yesterday and she told me about the entire incident, and to my surprise, she was rather relieved to know everything before marriage. In her words, those people were wolves disguised as sheep. Even more dangerous. Edit: I showed all the comments to my friend. She wants to pass a message through this forum. Whenever you hear we don't want anything for us but you can give your daughter whatever you want to.